Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix what you can see on X. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to fix the issue, the first thing that you need to do is open up your X or your Twitter in your browser. So just simply tap on the search bar and then type in twitter.com and then hit on go, and once you're inside you'll be seeing this kind of homepage, right? Now what you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of the screen, and once you tap on it, here you will be seeing this option. Tap on settings and support, and under it tap on settings and privacy, and once you're inside your settings option, here tap on privacy and safety, and once you're inside privacy and safety you'll see an option that says content you see. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside here, check to see if this display media that may contain sensitive content is toggled on or not, because sometimes if this is toggled on you might not be able to see content that is not available, right, or that is sensitive. So simply check this on, and the next thing that you can do is tap on search settings, and here check to see if this high sensitive content is toggled off or not, because this prevents posts with potentially sensitive content from displaying in your search results. And now go back and then open up your app again, and that should probably fix the issue, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.